Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin. I just got home from work, and tonight we're going to do some chicken thighs. I'm going to use the Bear Mountain sweet barbecue pellets. And what I'm going to do tonight is I got these chicken thighs in a pan. I've got some SPG in them, and I'm going to leave the skins on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let these smoke for 30 minutes. I'm going to come out here and I'm going to take these skins off. And I've never done the chicken cracklins before in an oven, usually just fry them. So tonight what I'm gonna do is let the skin get a little smoke on it for about 30 minutes. They should, I'm hoping they come right off. And then we will bake them, so to speak, in the pellet smoker and crisp them up and get our chicken cracklins. And hopefully they're good. I don't know why they wouldn't be, as long as I get them cooked long enough. I'm trying a method that I looked up the way they do it in the oven. They put the chicken skin down on parchment paper, cover it, and then put a cookie sheet on top of it and throw it back in the oven. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna throw it back in the Pit Boss. I'm using the Pro Series 1100 today. I'm gonna do the first 30 minutes at 250 degrees, and then I'm gonna crank it up to probably, I don't know, 300 or 350. And also, after I take the skin off the chicken, I don't know if you saw my apricot chipotle baby back ribs, but I had a half a jar of that sauce left, and I don't want that to go to waste because it was awesome. And when I take this skin off, then I'm gonna pour the barbecue sauce over the chicken and let that finish that way. So it's barbecue chicken, and hopefully with some delicious chicken cracklins. And hey, when I take them off, before I get them to bake all the way, I'm gonna sprinkle some of that world famous spicy SPG on there. Cross your fingers with me. Let's hope this turns out. And I'll see you in about 30 minutes. Right now, 250, 30 minutes. It's that easy. Okay, we've been 30 minutes and I brought out my stuff. I got my spicy SPG. I brought some regular SPG just in case. Here is my sauce from the ribs that I did, the apricot chipotle barbecue sauce. I've got my cookie trays with my parchment paper. So the first thing I gotta do is get this, I need to glove up. I'm gonna be touching this hot chicken, so you always wanna put a cotton glove underneath. All right. All right, just like that, right? Okay, we'll grab this chicken. Okay. And I'm gonna get my Pit Boss turned up to 350. While that heats up, here's our chicken. Got a little bit of smoke on that skin right there. So now what I'm gonna do is take the chicken skin off. It is peeling off, so we'll show you that. And we're gonna get the cracklins prepared. Cracklins, chicken skin, fried chicken skin, kind of like pork rinds, but with chicken. We're gonna do that in the Pit Boss. So let me show you how we're going to prepare everything here. Okay, so we've got our chicken, and all I'm going to do here is take the skin, remove it. Hopefully it comes off easy. Okay, we'll stick these right back in. Let's get your thumb underneath there. Somewhere, there it goes. You don't get it all. That's more like fat, not necessarily the skin. So you can see the chicken is definitely not done, and that's why we're going to crank it up to 350. We're going to get this to cook. We also want our cracklins to cook. Okay. There's our chicken. Now here's our cracklins, or skin. Just like that. What I think I'm going to do is, instead of keeping them whole, I'm going to cut these a little bit, assuming they'll cut fairly easy. And bring my cutting board. So I've got my parchment paper, and I'm going to lay the chicken skin side up, not the underside, the top side where the feathers were. Okay. I'll just get these arranged on here. Okay, now I'm going to use some of my spicy SPG. We're just going to shake it. Get these spiced up before we cook them. In fact, I'm going to put a little bit of it over here on my chicken that we're going to pour the barbecue sauce on. I love this stuff. We'll put a little bit of my regular SPG on there as well. Okay, so our cracklins are ready, and now for our chicken. This is my leftover sauce, and I'm just going to pour this over the chicken, just like that. You can use regular barbecue sauce. Regular barbecue sauce is amazing on chicken thighs. Okay, didn't bring a brush, I'll just use my finger since I got my gloves on. And then these will go back in at 350. Now over here with my cracklins, I'm going to take a piece of parchment paper, lay that on top of them, and then what it says to do is lay a cookie sheet on top of that. So I'm going to use that one for that. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to get these back in at 350. Okay, so I'm just going to set these in here, just like that. And then for my chicken, I'm going to put my probe in here so that I can keep an eye on the internal temp of the chicken. Okay, so I did a double take. I went and looked again, and I'm supposed to put these on a wire rack, and the parchment paper is to catch all of this grease. So it's only been in here for about 5 minutes. I'm going to make this correction, and I think this other baking sheet I'm just going to leave off, and I'm just going to leave them open in the pellet grill like an oven. So let me get that done. Here I have them on the wire rack, which makes a whole lot more sense. They're already looking really good, and I will probably check these in about maybe every 10 minutes while the other chicken is baking. So I'm gonna get these in. Right. We're gonna let this temp get up to 170, 180. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on that. I will come out and check these. I told you I've never made cracklins in the oven before. Usually we just fry them up. So anyway, they're gonna be good. I mean, what's your favorite part of the chicken, right? When you're eating chicken? The skin, the crispy skin. And every time you cook chicken in the oven or on the pellet grill, you're always striving for that crispy skin. This way, we just took it off. We're gonna crisp it up without the chicken. So we'll be back. My chicken cracklins. They've been in about just under 30 minutes, like 28 minutes. I checked them every 10 minutes. At 20 minutes, I flipped them. And then just now I flipped them back. Some of them had pools of oil like inside. They are crispy. Check out this one right here. Kind of bubbled up. Kind of cool, huh? Okay. Well, they look good. They look like they're supposed to. Let these cool a little bit. We got a few more degrees to go on the chicken, and then we'll do a taste test. Okay, so I moved my chicken over here just now. Let's give it a quick temp check. 160, 161, 162. So we're gonna go probably 5 more minutes. That one there's done. All right, we're gonna give them about 5 minutes. We'll pull them off. That have the probe in showing at 167, so the 165 is about done. This is thighs, so they can go up to 170, 175, and my temp is going back up. Okay, so my chicken is temping at 174. I'm gonna get these off, but before I take them off, I took the cracklins in the house and my wife's eating them all. So let's just show you these. I mean, this is chicken thighs with barbecue sauce, apricot chipotle barbecue sauce, which is gonna be amazing. I probably won't do a taste test because it's chicken with barbecue sauce. You can make it with any of your favorite sauce, but you know I really wanted to make these cracklins. So here it is, chicken cracklin on the Pit Boss. I don't know if I've ever seen them done on there before. We're gonna use some sriracha. You can eat these plain. I already took a bite. They taste like pork rinds with chicken. I'm gonna put a little sriracha sauce on there. Just like that. Did you hear that crunch? Those are good. You can put use salsa, plain, any kind of dip, Tabasco sauce, tapatio, sriracha. All right. I gotta tell you, the next time you do chicken thighs, that sriracha bite was hot. Okay, the next time you do chicken thighs, get the bone in, get them with the skin on them, so you can use that skin for chicken cracklins. I gotta tell you, these things are amazing. Here. Hear that crunch? That crack? Man. It's a lot better with the sriracha sauce on them. Okay, enough of that. So good. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe because I got chicken cracklins going. And share it to all your friends so they know how to make chicken cracklins. I'm telling you, they're so good. I usually fry them, but man, I think I'm gonna do them in the Pit Boss from now on. Anyway, like, subscribe, ring the bell, share it, tell all your friends, and we will see you on the next video. Hope you have a great evening. Okay, wait, before you go, here is my apricot chipotle barbecue chicken thighs. These are gonna be amazing. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.